Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And don't you agree that having the right faucet can really make or break the look in your kitchen? Of course, when I look for a faucet, I'm also looking for more than just aesthetics. I want something that is going to function really well. I got this pull down faucet from Eurolife. It is absolutely gorgeous with this gold finish. But what I really love about it is its spraying functionality. So it has three different types of sprays. So there's just like the regular flow, and then you can also change it to more like a shower spray. And then there's this super high pressure spray with two streams. And I just love being able to use all three of those depending on what I'm doing. Installation took my husband about an hour. We did have to get half-inch adapters because of the size of the supply lines that come with the faucet. But once those were in place, it went in smoothly and it has been leak free. I think you're going to not only love the way that it looks, but the way that it works. And that's my point of view.